Oh my goodness, what a race, what a track and field event. Men's 150 meters final and women's 150 meters final at the inaugural Miramar Invitational, a World Athletics Continental Tour Silver meeting in Florida, USA on Saturday, 4th April this year 2026. Unbelievable, absolutely amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Please like the video. Yeah man, right here we are having two amazing track and field event, the men's 150 meters final and the women's 150 meters final at the Miramar Invitational Meet 2026 session, where we are witnessing Jamaican King and Queen of Sprint, Kishane Thompson and Clayton destroying the field completely. Guys, believe me, Kishane Thompson and World 100 meter silver medalist ran a World 150 meter best of 14.92 seconds. This performance improves on the previous world best of 14.97 seconds set in 1994 by Clayton. Jamaican Kishane Thompson was racing for the first time since securing 60-meter silver medal at the World Athletics Indoor Championships 2026 Kujuang Pomeso 2 weeks ago. Guys, we are also witnessing brilliant and sensational sprinter from Jamaica, Clayton, completed a Jamaican 150-meter double, winning the world race in time of 16.87 seconds ahead of her compatriot Brianna Williams in time of 16.92 seconds and her twin sister Clayton, who finished in that position in time of 17.00 seconds. Guys, it was such a very impressive races, men's and women's 150 meters final, where Jamaica delivered a thrilling performance at Miramar Invitation, showcasing to the world once again while showcasing incredible acceleration and top 8 speed, proving to the world once again why Jamaica is the real powerhouse in sprinting and one of the most exciting sprinters from Jamaica to watch in this year 2026 session at the World Athletic Championships as well as the Olympics Championships and many indoors, where some of them have already kicked off this year 2026 session. And guys, I can't wait to see how these brilliant sprinters from Jamaica gonna be performing in those highly anticipated events. So guys, keep tuned here, keep it locked here, because definitely I'm gonna bring to you all those events as they happen. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, guys, this is your moment. Kindly subscribe. Smash that notification bell at the subscription so that you get notified every time we have these releases. To all my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you very on time for always coming back to watch my videos. You my pupil, you are my great pupil, and I will never take you for granted. Guys, like the video, share the video widely, comment, tell me where you are watching from, and also don't forget to tell me who was your favorite athlete in this track and field event. Bye bye for now. Blessings.